Another thing, some people do if they don't call an attorney right away is they'll give the at-fault party's insurance carrier a recorded statement going over all sorts of information that they're not really entitled to in that statement. But as long as you're willing to talk to them and provide it, they're going to keep asking all these questions that they're ultimately building a case to use against you. So basically, another thing people do that might hurt or delay the system is giving the other party a recorded statement prior to talking to an attorney.
Saying, to the people sometimes give a recorded statement, I think they have to remember that the insurance companies employ people and they all have jobs. And if they do their job well, then it's in protection of the assets of the insurance company, right?
They're not, insurance companies aren't charities, that's for sure.
No, they might sound friendly and helpful, but you used a key word that I love that you use, and that's the word entitled. They're entitled to certain information, but not all the information they may ask for. And so I think a lot of people don't realize that there are questions they ask that they're not entitled to that information, and they just lump it in there along with everything else, hoping that you'll stick your foot in your mouth and not have
so it's like, you have any children? Yeah, my daughter, it's actually her birthday next week. Oh, my daughter's birthday is tomorrow too. Happy birthday. By the way, so you were in 5 prior car accidents. Let's talk about those.
Yeah. Oh, and your child isn't on your policy, so it doesn't cover anything.
How old is your child? 17? Oh, you didn't list them as a driver on your policy. Yes. Canceled.
Yes. Boom. There it is. Yes, exactly. That kind of thing.
Yeah, it's a game, but that's why I always tell people, look, some people, myself included, if I didn't do this for an industry, I'd be last person running out and calling an attorney if I was in a car accident. And there's a lot of people like that, especially in East Hillsboro. And, oftentimes they put off calling us until months down the road where things already become convoluted. And then, obviously we try to help out as best we can, but sometimes it's trying to pick up the pieces out of, of a case that's damn near been destroyed through no fault of anyone's other than, people don't know what they're doing when they're dealing with insurance companies. So I would say err on the side of giving us a call. Again, we're not salespeople. I would never be in sales. I'm not good at it. But, we talk you through it, give you the friendly advice. Oftentimes the calls like that and, hey, well, save my number. If you have any questions in the future, you think you need us, give us a call back. So that's just how we